Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can flip domains. Having said that, let's jump into our tutorial. In this tutorial we will visit expireddomains.net. So let's navigate through it. If you don't have account, you will have to make a new account from here. You will have to sign up and then verify your email using your email provider like Gmail, for example. And now if you have an account, you will find something that looks like this. So before starting, for those who don't know what is flip domains is, it's basically by finding expired domains or drop domains. These domains that have not been renewed or haven't completely been purchased. So they are not brand new, but they are expired. So you buy these domains with a cheap price, and then you sell them with a higher price, and so you achieve a revenue. So this is basically and simply what is flip domains is. So in order to start flipping your domains, you need to find an expired one first. This is what is provided by expireddomains.net. So in order to find a domain, you just need to navigate to the search and write any word you want. For example, there are some words that have more popularity than the others, like services, for example. So let's try to search for a random word like engineer, for example, and search. And it will show you 248,000 results. So there are much results available. You can navigate between pages from here, or you can skip pages also from here. So this is how it looks like. There are some important columns here that you have to know. The first one is LE, which shows you the number of characters that the domain consists of. So if you are searching for something which is smaller, you can search for, you can check this LE on ascending or descending pages. So it's from high to low, and this the previous was from low to high, and this from high to low. So 63 characters is the maximum characters found for domains which contains engineer word, and the lowest one is only 8. So in case you are interested in finding small domains, you have to search ascendingly and select one of these domains. So next characteristic is these letters, which shows you if this domain is available on .com, on .net, on .org, and so on and so forth. So the red circle means that it is not available on this domain. So if we clicked on C once, it will show you all the unavailable domains on .com. However, if you clicked another click, it will show you the available domains on .com. So for example, 1306engineer.com is available on .com domain and also on these domains. So this is basically how you can search for a specific domain. The third characteristic is the status, which shows you whether this domain is available or offered on different prices, or even has a fixed budget. So available means that it exists. So let's just select one of these. I want to select something simple, so let's just choose, I think, maybe about engineer is attractive enough. So let's click on it. You will find 2 websites that offer this domain. Let's go to GoDaddy.com and let's see the same on Namecheap.com. So GoDaddy offers this website on 400 Egyptian pounds, which are, I think, similar to 400 divided by 30. Let me just calculate it. I think it's worth $13.5, and in Namecheap it offers the same by $10.3. So basically Namecheap provides the same domain but with cheaper price, so you can go on and buy it from Namecheap. So this is basically how you choose your own domain. After choosing your domain, now you will need to sell it, or you will need to provide a price to sell it. So in order to get like an estimation or an average price through which you can decide how much money you need on this domain, you can use a website called NameBio. Let's search for it. Here is NameBio. Let's access it. Let's just verify this one. Okay, verify. And here we are. So here you can just write a keyword. For, as we searched before, we searched on engineer. So let's just search now, and it will show you the results and their price, their estimated price. So here it shows you high prices. Let's just calculate the price from 1 second. So this way we have sorted them from low to high. We have sorted them ascendingly. So basically the cheapest price domain which contains engineer is $100. So basically you can literally earn about $85 from a single domain. So this way you know an estimation of how much it costs these domains, so that you can offer them for sale. So this is how you can search for your domains. However, if you are not interested in a specific word that you want to search for, you can also access these filtrations above, and you can find related domains. For example, if you are searching for a deleted.com, you can press on this, and it will show you all the domains from the most recent to the oldest. So here, this is the most recent domain that has been deleted or dropped. It's called hopfinfan.com. So if we clicked on it to just check, let's first check the status. It's available. So if we wanted to check this the price, let's search for GoDaddy.com, and let's again search for Namecheap.com and compare between them. So basically, GoDaddy offers it by for $100. So this is basically, as we said before, $13.3, and here it offers it by $10.3. So it's also cheaper to buy it from Namecheap. So you can proceed and buy it from there. You can also find deleted.net, deleted.org, and it's up to you. It's really an amazing filtration through which you can reach a specific domain that you want. And so this is basically how you can flip domains. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.